अच्छा 10 मार्क तो मिले ना।
So this is a sum of like your May June 2004. Okay, and such sums also, you will have more expectation of such type of sums to be repeated.
Yeah.
Are you with me?
Yes.
So our question says that Sam is a sole trader who is not keeping full records. So that means it is incomplete records. When it is
Yeah.
incomplete records, I will go and look as to what I am asked to calculate. So what am I
Okay.
asked to calculate? Debtors and creditors.
Debtors and creditors.
If I'm asked to calculate debtors, that means I will make what?
For debtors, you'll
SLCA.
make your SLC, and
Or
for
you could say
creditors, you'll
trade
make your
receivables
PLCA.
account. Or you can make a PLC or trade payables account, that is okay. Okay?
Yeah.
So here you have
Yeah.
your opening balance. Debtors have what balance? Debit or credit?
Debtors have a debit balance,
Creditors have.
a credit balance.
Okay. So everything else that is against your debtors would go on the opposite side. So everything else.
Yeah.
So opening balance, below that credit sales, below that DIR, and everything else goes on the credit side. So receipt from debtors
Yeah.
side,
Sorry.
receipt
Receipt
from
from
debtors,
receipt from debtors, bank,
credit.
non-debit.
See, debtors have an opening balance. Below that,
Yeah.
credit sales. Everything else will go on which side?
For debtors,
Yeah, debtors.
everything else will go on your credit side.
Yeah. And for creditors, you don't
Everything.
understand, you write your format. Balance begin down, credit purchases. Everything
Okay.
else will go on which side?
Balance brought down, credit purchase, everything else goes on your credit side.
Please look at my screen.
Credit sales and credit
Please.
purchase. What am I doing?
Creditors have what balance?
Creditors have a credit balance,
Below that,
balance brought down.
credit balance and balance brought down, are they two different things?
Shall like that you want? Okay, balance brought down, credit purchases, and then DIS and rest everything in PLC. It goes on the other side, which is the
Other
debit
side is
side.
what side?
Debit side.
Okay, it's not DIS, it is DIR.
Yeah, DIR.
Okay, fine. So receipt from debtors will go on which side?
Receipts from debtors will go on your credit side.
I hope you're looking at my screen. Are you?
Yeah,
Okay. Payment to
yeah,
creditors
will come on your debit side.
as
Bank
and discount allowed,
discount allowed will come in your credit side of your SLCA.
discount received.
Debit side of your PLCA.
Okay. Credit sales,
Credit sales will come on your debit side of SLCA.
credit purchases.
Credit side of PLCA.
You've made this account, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So, do they have any opening balance? Yeah, they had opening balance. So, it was a pure testing of control accounts and incomplete records.
Yeah.
Do you have the totals handy with you?
Yeah.
Okay, give me what is the
Total
total?
total for debtors account is 98000, while totals for
98,000.
credit, yeah, while
Okay.
total for creditors is 83000.
Darling, what is the closing balance?
Closing balance for your debtors are 10,000 and closing balance for creditors are 6,000.
So this is your debtors. Now, once you calculate your debtors, you're going to write debtors is equal to 10,000. It is
Yeah.
mandatory to write that, okay?
Okay.
What is the total over here, PLCA?
PLC is 6,000.
It's
Oh, total is
83,000.
830,000. Yeah.
83,000 minus this, it is how much? 6,000. And what will you
6,000.
write? Creditors.
Total creditors
How much?
6,000.
6,000. Okay, very good. Now you go ahead to your trading account. What comes in
Okay.
the trading account?
Trading account. Yes. Your revenue
Sales. So I will write the format
and
sales.
your cost of sales and then your gross profit.
Sales minus cost of sales. Cost of sales is made up of
Opening inventory plus purchase plus carriage on purchase minus closing inventory
opening inventory plus
plus
purchase
purchases
minus
minus
closing.
closing inventory.
Okay. Will it stop at gross profit?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So come on, do you know my sales? The sales would be made up of what?
Your credit sales plus your cash sales. Your credit sales are your debtors balance, which is 10,000, and then
No,
you'll
this is
add.
credit sales.
Huh.
This is credit purchases. Are you on my screen?
Oh, yeah.
So what is credit sales?
Oh, credit sales, my bad. Credit sales are 90,000.
And cash sales is how much?
Cash sales is 10,000.
So my total sales is how much?
100,000.
Okay, fine. So I use this figure. I've been given opening inventory and closing inventory, correct?
Yes.
Opening inventory is 14,000. Closing inventory is
Yeah, and closing
16,000.
inventory is 16,000.
How about purchases?
Purchases will be your trade payable or your creditors account.
Darling, don't I have a clear classification of purchases?
Do you?
Don't I have a clear classification of purchases?
Yeah, your credit purchases.
Yeah, so why will I take creditors account balance?
Yeah, no, that's what I meant. Like it's in the credit back.
Hmm. So, and they are
Seven
telling
seven
us
zero
over here
zero zero.
also, all purchases are on credit. All purchases
Yeah,
and most of his sales are on credit. So, what is the
yeah.
amount of purchases?
Amount of purchases 77000.
77,000. So, what is
Yeah,
my cost of sales?
I'm calculating.
It's 75,000. Do not forget to put the closing inventory in brackets, okay?
Yeah,
So, my gross profit is 25,000. Yes?
yes.
Since you already know the format of trading account, you can just fill in the details and then hunt for the information.
Hmm.
Please
Okay.
remember debtors and sales are two different things.
Yeah,
Okay, don't forget that.
yes.
Now we have something over here. What do they want us to find out?
One sec, let me just write everything.
Okay.
Yeah, calculate Sam's rate of stock turnover. So inventory turnover for the year.
What's the
If you're
formula for
working.
it?
Inventory turnover equals to cost of sales upon average inventory turnover. So first you'll do both your closing and opening. So
Cost of sales, do I
14,000
have it
plus,
ready made?
yes, 16,000 upon 2
Cost of sales?
equals to
What is cost of
15,000.
sales?
No, I'm talking about average inventory. Cost of sales, we have 25,000.
75,000. Okay, how about average
25,000.
inventory?
Average inventory, that's what I'm finding out. 15,000.
Opening plus
Closing
closing
upon
divide
2.
by 2. This was my opening inventory, that was 14,000
75000 upon
plus
15,000
16,000 divided by
equals
2.
to 30, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 65. So
Average
inventory
inventory
turnover is 5.
only 5?
Yeah.
5 or 5 times?
Yeah, 5 times.
Okay. What does it mean?
That means he has to like get new inventory 5 times every year because
The
he runs out
inventory
of
is
stock
getting converted into sales 5 times.
completely in the year.
Okay. Inventory is converting into sales 5 times.
Yeah.
Read the next question.
Suggest one way in which knowing the rate of stock turnover will be useful to Sam.
Okay, if he knows the rate of stock turnover, how will it be useful to Sam?
Like he can plan the amount of inventory he's selling and like,
So he can plan stock replacement
yeah,
to replace stock
plan, yeah,
in warehouse.
okay, and then
It is 2 marks, so you need to write 2 points. They want only one way. So the one way needs to be elaborated.
okay,
Okay? Over here. See, this
yeah,
is 4 marks. You get
yeah,
1 mark for this, 2 marks for this, 1 mark for this, and you have to write the times.
yeah,
Okay? So you need to show everything clearly. So with this, we
yeah.
finish the sum of May, June 04. Okay? It's of incomplete record.